Hey everyone, Matthew here. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having a wonderful Monday. It is February 23rd, 2026, and you're tuned into the Nasdaq Robotic Trading, market news, and economic landscape. Today's economic calendar was relatively light. At 10 a.m., we had factory orders, and there were no major tech earnings released after the bell. Overnight session. When futures reopened at 6 p.m., the market sold off sharply. Bitcoin plunged below 65,000, adding to the risk-off sentiment. Our robot entered a short position early in the session. As the Asian markets opened, the index continued to slide, amid ongoing uncertainty surrounding tariff policies, keeping pressure on equities. Pre-market data and volatility. During the early morning hours, the market remained weak. Our short position was closed for a solid profit. At that point, realized profit reached $456. Intraday trades. At 9:30 a.m., as the U.S. equity market opened, tech stocks were broadly under pressure. Our robot executed several quick scalping trades, all profitable. At 10 a.m., factory orders came in at minus 0.7%. down from 2.7% previously, which pushed the market lower. Before noon, realized profit stood at $563. Afternoon session and into the close. During the afternoon session, the market began to stabilize. Our robot continued actively trading both sides of the tape. Before the closing bell, realized profit settled at $526. After hours, with no major technology earnings released after the bell, that wrapped up our busy Monday trading session. Summary. Despite the volatility, our robot delivered another profitable day. $526, trading one contract of the Micro E-mini Nasdaq, MNQ. $283, trading 100 shares of QQQ. Total profit, $809. A strong start to the week. Thank you again for tuning in. I'm Matthew, wishing you all an amazing evening. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Nasdaq Robotic Trading.